what's the use of programming when you have to write the same thing again and again? To handle this, programming has the concept of loops. Write one time and execute 10 times. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session of loops. So let's take a small example. Suppose you want to print 1 to 10. Generally, we can write like this: print statement 10 times. Well, you will even get the right output. But imagine if you want to print till 100, then you will have to write the line 100 times. You may even write 10 numbers in a single print statement like this. But again, for 100 or 1000 numbers, this is not practical. It's not manageable. To handle such cases, we have loops. Python programming offers two types of loop. First is while loop and other is for loop. In this session, we will explore the while loop. To print 1 to 10, we will declare a variable I and set the value to 1 like this. Then write while and after space write I less than equal to 10 followed by a colon. In the next line, give an indent and write a print statement and print the value of I. Now, increment the value of I by writing I equal to I plus 1. Let's run the code. Well, we got the correct output. Python also have the else in while loop. Here, we will write else followed by a colon. We will write a print statement in the indent else saying all the numbers are printed. Let's run the code. Again, we got the correct output. The else part is executed when the condition becomes false. So, look at this code. This part is called as initialization. This is condition. And this I equal to I plus 1 line is called increment. For any loop, three things are essential: initialization, condition and increment. If you miss anything, then your code will give some problem. When we run our code, the value of I is 1. So, this while condition becomes true and code reaches the while indent, printing value of I. That is 1 is printed. Now, due to increment code, the value of I becomes 2. Code again goes to the while condition. Here, 2 is less than 10. Again, the condition becomes true. Again, code in the indent is executed and the value of I is printed. That is 2. Similarly, the value of I becomes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. When 10 is printed, the value of I becomes 11 due to increment. When the program again goes to the while condition, condition fails because 11 is not less than 10 and loop enter the else part and then the program ends. This is the general syntax of while loop. Before while loop, we need to have initialization, and inside the body of while loop, we generally write logic and increment. The else part is not mandatory if you want to use it or ignore it. Hope you got some understanding of while loop. So, here we printed 1 to 10. But suppose you want to print till 100 or 1000. Logic is simple. We need to change this condition. But we can't change this number every time. So, above our code, we will accept the number n as input and convert that into integer like this. In the while condition, change the condition to I less than equal to n. Run the program and enter the input as 5. Well, we got the correct output, that is 1 to 5. Rerun the program and enter the value 25. That's the correct output. This was the most basic example. There is a lot to learn in loops, but in the next session. Thanks for watching.